Hello, Sunny, and I am in a huge truck. I'm in Clewiston and I'm in the truck of my. I'm in the truck with Billy. See?
Sorry.
Yeah. And also, I am riding in a truck. This truck has a bed, a refrigerator, and oddly enough cabins. And windows. This truck is like a whole house. And it is amazing. See where I am? I'm driving in a truck. What? It is amazing in here. I know you're noticing that I got my new hair done. It's amazing. Yep, so this is my life in Clewiston. My life is so different in Clewiston. So, make sure you subscribe and see you next time. Peace.